still there, laying down, paint it over. Break it down, back it up.
Central Daylight Time. At 12:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.